Good morning, Tigers. My name's Nathan Beach. I'll be walking you through your campus weather forecast. Today, we're looking at temperatures a little bit lower than they have been. 51 degrees outside with southerly winds, so we'll probably be warming up a little bit, but not too much. That rain sticking around for most of the day today and for the foreseeable future. Looking ahead for today, we're looking at 50s, maybe getting into the 60s by the end of the day, but that's very up in the air. I would not count on it for planning your day, uh, which we are sitting actually right around the average. So really, we're seasonable for now, but we should be expecting those temperatures to rise again, which I'll talk about a little bit later. Now, looking at our full satellite and radar here, we have clouds across most of the country and rain off to our west, and currently rain in our area. Taking a little bit of a closer look at that, we have rain pushing in along a little boundary that's currently sitting on top of us, and that's going to spark this rain that's going to move up through St. Louis and into our area over and over a few rounds through the next few days. That's going to give us quite a bit of precipitation, and it's going to end up being our main driver for potentially some flooding that might be happening later this week. Looking at our current SPC, so the Prediction Center's outlooks, the severe weather threat is here, but is not too great for our area. We have a marginal outlook for our area, so one out of 5. And that means we're probably not going to see too much, and that's going to persist for the next day as we're still in that 1 out of 5 risk. I would not be expecting too much severe weather with this system in its entirety. But the chances of rain persist, like I said earlier, for the rest of the foreseeable future and into our weekend. So Easter Sunday might be a bit of a washout. So if you have any outdoor plans, you might want to just keep an eye on the weather. But once we get into Wednesday and Tuesday, Monday, so start of next week, we're gonna have those rain chances taper off. I wouldn't expect too much rain for next week. However, we're looking still at this week, so I would be expecting, at least for today and tomorrow, into upwards of 2 inches, and moving into Friday and this weekend, increasing 2 inches. I could potentially see up to 3 inches in our forecast for this weekend. But as for the rest of this week and into next week, we should be expecting rain, and then slowly clearing and warming back up into next week, potentially returning to those upper 70s and 80s that we've been seeing. Thank you for watching, and keep updated.